Now we will start from the next class where we have left agricultural implements for the soil preparation. Up to here we have done. Okay, so soil preparation process we have done. Now next we are starting with second step. First step was soil preparation. We are seeing the 7 steps here. Preparation of soil done. Now second step is sowing. Okay, and third step is addition. Sowing and addition we will do today. Okay, this is sowing. Sowing is here, and this you have to understand and you have to keep it in mind. The 2 points. First is the most important part here. You have to select the good variety of seed, means good seed that can give you better yield. Okay, and second one is keeping sufficient distance between the seeds. Okay, first thing is good seed, and second thing is when you are sowing that, because this is a sowing part now, for sowing that you have to keep some distance between them. Okay, like you are sowing one seed here, then you have to, need not to put the second seed here. You have to keep some distance between them. Okay, some distance must be there. Okay, that's why because it will give the space to the second seed, so that the second seed will grow to a particular healthy life. Okay, now what are the characteristics of good seeds? These points can come in your exam for 1 or 2 more. Okay, final examination also. Now this is the characteristics of good seed. First of all, its quality must be good. Second, variety must be good. Many varieties are there, like for rice also one normal variety is there, white color, and second one is brown color, that is brown rice. Okay, so variety are different, and every variety is having its own nutritional value. Okay, first is quality, second is variety, then yield. Okay, yield means from, if one plant is there and on this 20 grains are growing, okay, like wheat is there, on the top of the wheat, this is the fruit of the wheat na, in that many grains are stored. You are taking this na, so all of the grain must be in healthy condition, that is known as high yield. Okay, like you are opening a fruit, many, like take for the example of pomegranate, when you are opening it, okay, many seeds are there, these are the seeds you are eating. So if half of the seeds, like this is the pomegranate, if half of the seeds are not in good condition, means it is giving you 50% yield. Okay, because half of the food is waste, so half yield you are getting, so that is known as yielding. Okay, means if full of the fruit is okay, then it means 100% yield, means high yield. Understood? Now it must not be hollow, the seed must not be hollow. Hollow means empty. So how you will check it? For checking this, you will dip that, you will put the seeds in water. Okay, take a bucket of water, then take your seeds and you will drop them on the surface of water. If they are floating, it means they are not good. If they will sink down, they are good, because seed is having something inside that na, embryo and food. Why? Because they need to grow into the next plant, that's why they must be heavy. Okay, now yesterday we did agriculture implements for soil preparation. Now we will do agriculture implements for seed sowing. Okay, there are 2 kind of agriculture implements for this. One is traditional, another is modern. Okay, traditional ones are those that are used from a long time. These modern thing means any discovery is done. Why any discovery is done? Because they want to give you the better option for any process. So these are better one than this. Now the example of traditional tool is funnel. This is seed drill. Funnel is like this shape. Okay, you are using that in chemistry also. funnel is like this shape. But for the agriculture, it is having one sharp end, very sharp end at the end. Okay, you can see in your book also. And the sharp end, when you are taking the, it is here. See, this is your book, and where it is here. You can see here. Okay, you can see here. What is this? This is the funnel, and this is the long pipe. And in the end of the pipe, what is there? In the end of the pipe, a sharp end is there. So these are the farmers. This funnel is attached with this wooden block, and this is like, you can see in a plowshare. It is like a plowshare. You are seeing here, na? It is plow. So plow is attached to the bulls, and the end of the plow is attached with this funnel. So you are attaching the funnel with this, either with any kind of rope, anything. So these two, one is plowing the field and another farmer will put the seeds. You can see here, it is putting the seed inside. You can see here, putting the seed inside, and seed will go there, and with the sharp end of this funnel pipe, it is piercing the soil. Creating the gap, and he's putting the seeds inside this, and seeds will be sown furthermore. Understood or not? Okay, this is the funnel. Then second one is seed grill. Seed grill is like this. You can see here, seed grill. The upper part of this seed grill is curved. You can see curved. This is also curved. But what is the advantage of having seed grills? It is, in comparison to this is only piercing the soil. Okay, so the left, where you are putting the seeds, this area will remain open, because they are these two farmers and these two bulls, they are moving upward direction. So all the soil, where all the pure soil or open soil where he has put the seeds is open. So the sparrow or any kind of birds moving around, they can take the seeds. Okay, so loss of there must be a loss. But what is the advantage here? When you are attaching that seed drill to a tractor, you are attaching that to a tractor like this. Cultivator you are seeing, na? This is a type of seed drill. So it is attached with the tractor. It is attached with the tractor here. It is attached with the tractor, and when tractor is moving forward, so the seeds are sown there. Okay, seeds are sown there. He is putting the seeds. So these curved part, they are creating the gaps. And the seeds are sown there. And this is the part. It is. These parts are moving the soil like this. Okay, they are moving the soil like this. Okay, soil is moving this direction, and means they are opening the soil. But this one, it is pushing the soil in forward direction. So it is filling the gaps. It is creating the gaps, and it is filling the gaps. So when it is creating the gaps, the seeds will be sown, and this is filling the gaps. So you have to draw the diagram. This one diagram from your book, and this one diagram from your book.